My name is Elena Zangetti. I'm a part of Whiplash dance team. And dancing has always been a huge part of my life, and I knew coming to school I wanted to meet some new friends that had the same passion as I did. I love being on Whiplash because we're not just friends and teammates, we're all like a huge family.
That one is a push.
I'm really excited for spring show because there's so many different dances and styles. Spring show is basically like a recital where it's just a combination of all these different dances that we did throughout the year.
Nice, Lindsay. So pretty.
Plus whatever choreographer is made up, so it can be all different types of dance, from jazz, tap, heel, back to our own hip hop. So I'm a freshman and I'm choreographing, and like people sign up for my dance. I'm really excited to like actually show people that I can like choreograph and dance. So
We're going to run homecoming super quick right now, just once.
I loved having like an aspect of being able to dance and do what I love with the girls that I love too.